If you think succulents are just simple, low-maintenance plants, you are really seeing the surface. These plants are actually one of the most diverse, visually stunning, and beginner-friendly groups you can grow. From bold architectural shapes to trailing beauties and even flowering varieties, succulents can completely transform your indoor or outdoor space with almost no effort. Ionium, Echeveria, and Sempervivum are some of the most visually appealing succulents because of their perfectly symmetrical rosette shapes. Their leaves range from soft green to deep purple, sometimes even with pink edges, making them look like natural roses. These are perfect for decorative pots, tabletops, and stylish balcony setups, and they thrive in bright light with minimal watering. Agave and euphorbia are ideal if you want something bold and eye-catching. These plants grow with thick, structured leaves or unique geometric stems that instantly add a modern architectural feel to your garden. They're extremely drought tolerant and can survive in harsh conditions, making them perfect for outdoor landscaping or other low-maintenance spaces. Aloe and crassula are not only beautiful but also functional. Aloe stores soothing gel in its leaves, while crassula, commonly known as the jade plant, is loved for its tree-like structure and glossy foliage. These plants are great for indoor spaces and are often associated with positive energy and good luck, especially when placed near windows with bright indirect light. Haworthia and snake plant are among the best choices for low light conditions. Haworthia stays compact and features unique textured leaves, while the snake plant is almost impossible to kill. These plants can survive neglect, require very little water, and still maintain a clean, modern look, making them perfect for bedrooms, offices, and beginners. Lithops, also known as living stones, are some of the most fascinating succulents you can grow. They look exactly like small pebbles and blend into their surroundings as a natural survival mechanism. These plants require very careful watering, but once you understand their cycle, they become a unique addition to any collection. Sedum and kalanchoe bring great versatility because they grow in many forms. Some are upright, some trail, and some even produce vibrant seasonal flowers. Kalanchoe is especially known for its bright blooms in shades of red, yellow, and pink, adding a cheerful pop of color indoors. Burrow's tail, string of pearls, and string of hearts are perfect trailing succulents if you love hanging plants. Their cascading stems create a soft flowing look that works beautifully in macramé hangers, on shelves, or on balconies. These plants prefer bright indirect light and well-draining soil to maintain a healthy full appearance. Crown of thorns and desert rose are excellent flowering succulents that combine beauty with resilience. Crown of thorns can bloom almost year-round in warm conditions, while desert rose develops a thick trunk with stunning trumpet-shaped flowers that look exotic and dramatic. Ponytail palm and panda plant are unique choices that stand out because of their unusual textures and forms. Ponytail palm stores water in its bulb-like trunk, while panda plant has soft fuzzy leaves and brown edges that give it a distinctive look. Chin cactus, rat-tail cactus, and opuntia bring the cactus category into the succulent world, offering interesting shapes and, at times, colorful flowers. These plants are extremely hardy and perfect for sunny spots where other plants might struggle. Purple heart and blue chalk sticks add color beyond the usual green. Purple heart has deep violet foliage, while blue chalk sticks offer a cool bluish tone that contrasts beautifully with other plants. Together they help create a more visually dynamic garden. Haworthia star cactus and zebra cactus are perfect mini succulents for small spaces. They stay compact, require minimal care, and are ideal for desks, shelves, or tiny decorative pots, especially when you want greenery without taking up too much space. Dragon fruit and prickly pear show that some succulents are even edible. These plants not only look ornamental but also produce fruit, making them both practical and decorative additions to your garden. The real secret behind all succulents is their ability to store water in their leaves, stems, or roots. This adaptation allows them to survive in dry conditions, which means you don't need to water them often. In fact, overwatering is the most common mistake people make. Always use well-draining soil, let the soil dry out between waterings, and place your plants in bright light for the best growth. Once you understand their basic needs, succulents become some of the easiest and most rewarding plants you can grow. They multiply quickly, require very little attention, and still give your space a lush aesthetic and vibrant look. If you want more powerful, easy gardening ideas like this, hit subscribe. And join us for smart plant care tips that actually work.